In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom button in the contact stage in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through this using Zoho's native features, so you won't need any external tools or complicated setup. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a button to your contacts module that can trigger actions like scripts or opening specific URLs, all from within the contact record. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which represents Setup. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the main settings area where you can control how your CRM behaves. Inside Setup, look for the section labeled Customization. Under that, click on Modules and Fields. This is where you can configure the different modules in your CRM, like leads, accounts, and in our case, contacts. From the list of modules, select Contacts. When the Contacts configuration page opens, you'll see several tabs related to that module. Find and click on the Links and Buttons tab. This is the area specifically dedicated to adding and managing custom buttons and links for the Contacts module. Now, click on the option that says Create New Button. This will open a form where you define how your new button will look and behave. Start by giving your button a clear and descriptive name. For example, Send to Production, or anything that matches the action you want it to perform. A good name will make it easy for your team to understand what the button does at a glance. Next, choose the placement of your button. Zoho lets you decide where this button will appear. You can place it on the View page, which is the detailed record view, on the Edit page, where you modify records, or in the List view, which is the table of multiple contacts. Think about where your team will use this button most often and select the appropriate placement. After that, choose the action for your button. You have three main options. You can select Writing function if you want to run a deluge script and automate something, such as updating fields or sending data elsewhere. You can choose Invoke URL if clicking the button should open or call a specific website or endpoint. Or you can choose Web tab, which opens a CRM tab directly from the contact record. Useful if you want quick access to a related internal page. Once you've set the name, placement, and action, review everything to make sure it matches your needs, then click Save. Your new custom button will now be available in the Contacts module in the location you selected.